Get ready for an unforgettable experience at the first ever Sounds of Africa Festival. Join WAWAC on August 4th and 5th at the Everett Community College as we celebrate the vibrant rhythms, cuisine, and captivating fashions of Africa. Electrifying live band performances by Pa Omar Jack, the Kuyate Twins, Pa Bobo Jobate, Ganzango West African Drumming and Dance Group, the Slash Soldiers, and many more. Experience the essence of Africa through interactive workshops where you will learn traditional African dance moves and discover the enchanting sounds of African instruments like the kora, djembe, and balafon. It's the first ever Sounds of Africa Festival on August 4th and 5th. Contact the Washington West African Center for more information.